Hammer. The hammer is one of the oldest tools known to humans, dating back to early Stone Ages when simple rocks were used for striking. Modern hammers usually have a metal head and a handle made of wood, steel, or fiberglass. It is mainly used for driving nails into surfaces or pulling them out, depending on the claw design. Its strength and simplicity make it essential for everything from hanging pictures to building furniture. Screwdriver. The screwdriver was developed as screws became common in construction and machinery. It features a handle and a shaped tip designed to fit into the head of a screw. Different types like flathead and Phillips exist to match screw designs. Its precision allows controlled tightening and loosening, making it a key tool for assembling or repairing household items. Pliers. Pliers are gripping tools that originated from blacksmithing practices, where holding hot metal was necessary. They have two handles and jaws that can grip, bend, or cut materials. Their versatility makes them useful for electrical work, small repairs, and even holding objects firmly when fingers cannot manage the pressure. Adjustable wrench. The adjustable wrench became popular in the 19th century as a flexible solution for different bolt sizes. It has a movable jaw that can be adjusted using a screw mechanism. This allows one tool to handle multiple fasteners, which is especially helpful in home repairs, where carrying many fixed-size wrenches is impractical. Tape measure. The tape measure replaced rigid measuring sticks with a flexible metal strip that can extend and retract. It allows accurate measurement of length, width, and height in tight or large spaces. Its portability and ease of use make it essential for furniture placement, renovations, and basic planning around the home. Utility knife. The utility knife evolved as a safer and more replaceable cutting tool compared to traditional knives. It features a sharp blade that can be extended or retracted, often with replaceable segments. It is widely used for cutting cardboard, plastic, or other materials, offering precision and control in everyday tasks. Hand saw. The hand saw has been used for centuries to cut wood manually. It consists of a toothed blade attached to a handle, allowing back and forth motion to slice through material. While power tools exist today, the hand saw remains valuable for small jobs where control and quiet operation are preferred. Spirit level. The spirit level uses a simple scientific principle involving a bubble trapped in liquid. When the bubble rests between marked lines, the surface is level. This tool became important as construction demanded accuracy. It helps ensure shelves, frames, and furniture are perfectly straight, improving both function and appearance. Allen key. The Allen key, also known as a hex key, was introduced for screws with hexagonal sockets. Its simple L-shaped design provides leverage in tight spaces. It is commonly included with flat-pack furniture, making it a familiar tool in modern homes where assembly is often required. Claw hammer. The claw hammer is a specialized version of the hammer with a curved split end for pulling nails. This design adds functionality beyond striking, allowing users to correct mistakes easily. It is widely used in carpentry and general home improvement tasks. Putty knife. The putty knife is designed for spreading and smoothing materials like putty or filler. It has a flat, flexible blade that allows even application. It is commonly used in wall repairs, helping create a clean surface before painting or finishing. Wire cutter. The wire cutter is built specifically for cutting wires cleanly without fraying them. Its sharp jaws and strong handles allow controlled cutting of electrical or metal wires. It plays an important role in electrical maintenance and small repair work. Chisel. The chisel has a long history in woodworking and stone carving. It features a sharp blade used to cut or shape material when struck with a hammer. In home use, it is often used for detailed woodwork or removing small sections of material with precision. Hand drill. The hand drill predates electric drills and works through manual rotation. It allows users to create holes in wood or other soft materials with control. Though slower than modern tools, it is still valued for its simplicity and independence from electricity. Staple gun. The staple gun is used to drive heavy-duty staples into materials like wood, fabric, or plastic. It provides stronger fastening than regular staplers. It is commonly used in upholstery, insulation work, and quick fixes around the home. Paint scraper. The paint scraper is designed to remove old paint, glue, or residue from surfaces. Its rigid blade allows users to clean surfaces before refinishing. This preparation step is crucial for achieving smooth and long-lasting results in painting projects. Socket wrench. The socket wrench uses interchangeable sockets to fit different bolt sizes. Its ratcheting mechanism allows continuous turning without removing the tool from the fastener. This makes it efficient and less tiring during repeated tightening or loosening tasks. Measuring square. The measuring square helps ensure perfect right angles in construction and layout work. It is often used when marking lines on wood or checking corners. Accuracy in angles is essential for stability and appearance in many household projects. Each of these tools may seem simple on its own, but together they form the foundation of everyday problem-solving at home. They represent a mix of history, practicality, and thoughtful design. Let me know which tool you use the most, and don't forget to share your thoughts and subscribe to QS Tube for more simple explanations like this.